In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Steam error code E20 quickly and safely. This is a fairly common issue that can appear when launching Steam or when trying to start a game from your Steam library. When this error shows up, Steam may fail to connect properly or the game may refuse to launch, which can be really frustrating if you just want to start playing. The good news is that in most cases, this problem can be fixed in just a few minutes using a few simple troubleshooting steps. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can follow along even if you're not very technical. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in and start with the first fix. The first thing you want to do is completely close Steam. Sometimes Steam error code E20 happens because a background process is stuck or not responding properly. To fix this, press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Once Task Manager opens, look through the list of running processes and find anything related to Steam. You may see processes like Steam, Steam Client Bootstrapper, or Steam Web Helper. Click on each Steam-related process and select End Task to fully close them. This ensures Steam is not running in the background anymore. After you've ended all Steam processes, locate your Steam shortcut on your desktop or in your Start menu. Instead of launching it normally, right-click the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Running Steam with administrator privileges can fix permission-related issues that sometimes trigger error code E20. Once Steam opens again, check if the error is gone. If you are seeing the error while launching a specific game, there is another important step you should try. Open Steam and go to your library section where all your games are listed. Find the game that was giving you the error, then right-click on the game title and select Properties from the menu that appears. Inside the Properties window, click on the tab labeled Local Files. Here you'll see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Go ahead and click that button. Steam will now scan the game installation on your computer and compare the files with the official versions stored on Steam's servers. If any files are missing, corrupted, or outdated, Steam will automatically re-download and repair them. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, so just let it finish completely. Once the verification is done, try launching the game again from your library and see if the Steam error code E20 has been resolved. In most cases, closing Steam processes, running Steam as an administrator, and verifying the game files will fix this problem. If this video helped you fix Steam error code E20, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.